Hello, teacher. My name is Kanya.
What day is today? What day is today?
Today is Wednesday.
How are you today? How are you today?
I am fine, thank you, teacher.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
What do you do? What do you do? What do you do?
I am a student.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I am from Laos.
Where are you from?
I am from Laos.
Okay. Okay, Miss Kanya, you read number 1 until number 7. Let's start.
This is my father. This is my father. This is my mother. This is my mother. This is my sister. That is my sister. That is my sister. That is your teacher. That is your teacher. That is your friend. That is your friend. That is your child. That is your child. What is this? This is a flower. This is a flower. What Who is this? This is